place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to find my way.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? After a long time? Yeah, that's a very long time because I had exams and credits. I passed everything with nice marks, yeah. And I was free. And now I'm traveling around Minsk. And also today I thought we would visit the Minskoe more. It is called the Minsk Sea. Let's go with me and watch how's the sea and inside means it's sea, which is called sea, but it's a kind of lake or a river. And let's go. Come on with me. Look at the train station. It looks amazing. There are many platforms and I think we have our train at 24th. Look how cute they are. Let's run fast.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your...
We bought some food with us. We have prepared chicken biryani, some salads, cola, water, everything. Here is the water body. People come here to get some bath. And there are some places where you can do like there, I mean there. Yeah, there are the places where you can take some bath. And this is forest. And this is a bench where you can prepare barbecues here and enjoy with your friends. What is this water body? This is the second largest water reservoir in Belarus, which supplies water to many villages and cities nearby. It's an amazing place to hang out with your friends, family, and do parties like doing barbecues here, or you can just swim around or take sun bath. Especially in summers, this is a famous place. Everyone go here, everyone come here to make parties with friends, birthday celebrations. And one thing, I forgot about it. Today is my birthday. Thank you so much if you say happy birthday. Please make sure you subscribe my channel. It motivates me to create more content. I had more exams. It was tough because third year, I've completed third year. There were like main exams like pharmacology, pathological anatomy and physiology. Everything was a big mixture and everything is passed. Now I'm free. Just got 1 month for vacation. This time I didn't went home. Thought of like hang out in Minsk and roam around Minsk. Also, make good videos for you. Make sure, don't forget to subscribe my channel. He fell. He's there. The water is so dirty. You can see it's green.